This is the weirdest awakening I've ever had. Guys, okay, so my dad just called me. It's like 7:30 in the morning, 7:40 in the morning, but I don't wake up early, so I was asleep. And he calls and goes, I should preface this, he and my sister are out crabbing right now on the boat, and apparently the boat is having issues and it leaked all its hydraulic fluid out, so the steering has gone. He calls me and he goes, okay, we need you to come rescue us. So now I'm just gonna go take a jet ski, pick up one of them, and then get the other jet ski because I can't pull both of them to them. And then apparently we're gonna tow the boat back with the jet skis. This is such a weird thing. But yeah, let's do that. Literally so choppy today. We decided it was too choppy, so we're just gonna go crabbing on the jet ski. What? Did you get one? Woo! They actually caught a crab. Now let's see if he can drop it not on Josh.
Uh-oh, it got loose again.
Hey, but they caught one. Everybody smile.
First off, can you even split it up?
Crabbing when the boat won't work. Out of the bucket and then jumped. My toes are out. Jesus, I don't want to get pinched. Okay, so basically what has happened thus far, because today has been a whole mess. It was like, so you gotta get on one of the jet skis, come pick up Taylor and Josh so you can go back and get the other jet ski, and then we're gonna try and tow the boat with the two jet skis, which is a reasonable plan if it were completely flat. But today just so happened to be one of the most choppy days in like the entirety of this past week. Like yesterday it was flat, the day before it was so super serenely flat, and then today it's like choppy beyond belief. So I get out here and I pretty much tell him like it's way too many white caps to pull a boat with two jet skis all the way back to our house. And so they decide they came out here to crab, so they're gonna crab. So there are a couple clips of them on the jet ski with a pole, a net, and a bucket, or them doing their, I don't know, they just decided to continue crabbing. So they have one person holding the hook That way they hook it and then they drag the line across the hook. And then the driver has been netting it and then putting them in the bucket. So, ingenuity. There you go. Make the most out of what you have. Oh my god. But I'm just sitting on the boat right now because we have to have at least one person stay with the boat. And they decided to have one person drive, one person hold the hook, and one person net. So Taylor, Josh, and Dad are on the ski right now. It's such a weird day. Also, I haven't eaten breakfast or like had any water, so I'm just chilling, kind of getting hungry now. So I hope they decide they're done soon.